Now I'm going to show you the Auto Blend Layers option on our drop-down menu out of our Edit palette. If we look up here on our screen, you can see that we've taken these three photos here and we've placed them together. And what we want to do is, as you can see, that we've placed them together using our Edit Auto Align Layers. Well, the colors are still off. You can see that the blue of the sky doesn't match up and there's still a visible line coming down. So what we want to do is we want to clear all that out and smooth it out. Well, the easiest way is if we come up here and hit Edit and Auto Blend Layers. And as you can see, it's going to think about it for a minute, and boom, it clears out all of those lines completely to where you cannot see them at all. This is where a line was. As you can see, this is where our step-down gradient comes. Now this looks like one complete photo of, oops, there we go, of the city of San Francisco. Let's come back out, and there you have it. So after you've auto-aligned your layers, if you want to blend them together, that will help you look like you have just created one complete picture. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.